If your teacher tries to contact you through a Google Hangout, there are two ways that you can join the Hangout. Way one is through the email that you will receive in your inbox. That email will have a calendar date on it, if you choose to join or not, which really doesn't matter, and a link to the Google Hangouts Meet. That Google Hangouts Meet is the link that you will click on to join the calendar event. The other way that you can join is through your Google Calendar. An event will pop up at the same date and time as your email. When you click on it, it will have a link here to join Hangouts Meet. No matter which link you click on, it will take you to the same place. When you click, you will see a Hangouts Meet box and ready to join. It will tell you who else is here, and then you just click Join Now. When you join now, you will have the option to present your screen to the person on the other end and show them something that you are looking at. So you can pick an entire window or your screen. And then when you're done, you hang up here. If you're having problems with video or sound, make sure that you didn't click off of video here or sound here. You also have the option to turn on closed captions if anyone in your household is hard of hearing.